Alright, guys, can you do me a massive favor? Can you do me a big favor? Can you follow me on Instagram, Jamaica_worst_gamer? We're trying to grow the Instagram also, so please give me a follow on Instagram. Link will be in the description also. Run the intro. Pew.
It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf with the baddest. And as they say, reconnect.
Yo. What is up, guys? Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction. Today we're back with CLOZPIN himself. Yes, CLOZPIN, aka King Tavi. Yes, make up yourself, Tavi Dan. Talented dude, talent overdrive. That one name every girl. Yeah, CLOZPIN with every girl. We're gonna jump in the one and with the G office saying, yeah, man, let's go. Alright, let's go. Russian authorize this.
Every girl want touch me.
Russian authorize this, Taffy. As it start laugh. Sorry, dog.
Every girl want touch me. Every girl want touch me. Every girl want touch me. So I miss the flan. I want for cock it up on but.
Black Rider flow. No, cartel flow. Gyal, oh, you love the touch. Listen to it again. I wonder if a cartel take away lyrics and that. I wonder how you have cartel
girl
for
want touch me so.
Something I gotta go on here, so. Something I gotta go on, me know.
Every girl want touch me.
No, in CLOZPIN, aka Tavi, somebody gotta go on here, so.
Every girl want touch me so. I miss the flan, I want for cock it up on but the boy watch your pussy so. So me tell her fi sneak come me teeth a fuck. Come over ya so. Did a kingdom say she want for join the fun. Come over so, suck over ya so. But you two of them, they left them there touch each other.
Come over so, suck over ya so. Yo, first him call him with the man them. No, and the girl left him there pan. Yes, him girl left him there pan. Every girl want touch me. Because ladies them.
Every girl want touch me. Every girl want touch me so. I miss the flan, I want for cock it up on but the boy watch your pussy so. So me tell her fi sneak come me teeth a fuck. Come over ya so. Did a kingdom say she want for join the fun. Come over so, suck over ya so. But you do.
We can't get that water. Look at him hand movement. Him smooth it then he get aggressive. Suck over ya so.
Did a kingdom say she want to join the fun. Come over so, suck over ya so. But you two of them, they left them there touch each other. Coulda
man saying touch it to them and then left it to them and touch each other. Jada and Steph. They know it with them can't agree in the Tavi. Where are the tears them, Tavi? They don't say girl them can't agree in the dog.
Over so, suck over ya so. But you two of them, they left them there touch each other. Coulda Ashley stop me the whole night. She want me squeeze up the breast them and rub down her thighs.
Ashley, stop stalking G. Ashley, you stalking G for the whole night. Tappy. Man say for tappy. Yo.
Coulda Ashley stop me the whole night. She want me squeeze up the breast them and rub down her thighs. Fuck up her makeup and come in her eyes. She want me beat her like a slave and then me beat it like Mike. So me drop. Fuck up her makeup and come in her eyes. She want me beat her like a slave and then me beat it like Mike. So me drop.
She want me beat her like slave and then me beat it like Michael Jackson. Beat it. Just beat it. That's him attack. Reference. Bad.
Coulda Ashley stop me the whole night. She want me squeeze up the breast them and rub down her thighs. Fuck up her makeup and come in her eyes. She want me beat her like a slave and then me beat it like Mike. So me drop for me dick beat pussy all night. Me know. I'ma beat her like a slave and then me beat it like Mike. So me drop for me dick beat pussy.
Man saying draft in dick and beat pussy all night. Yo.
They stop me the whole night. She want me squeeze up the breast them and rub down her thighs. Fuck up her makeup and come in her eyes. She want me beat her like a slave and then me beat it like Mike. So me drop for me dick beat pussy all night. Me know how to make Miss Kitty feel nice. She give me pum me give her paradise. Coulda she want me fi stay another night.
Spin it out, turn back way in my dig it out.
said that girl look familiar from the start, but me never say nothing, you know. This what's your name again? This is the Vinci girl, man. She did up on some fest last year, man. Forgot her name, man.
The another
What's your sting?
night.
Spin it out, turn back way in my dig it out. Pussy clap, so me pussy cream, so him frig it out. Backseat crack, me face spitting on me mouth. Stiff titty trigger while me need them giving out. Rub flit and try re-enter. The tight pink lock him out, would not slipping out. Tire puncture, me ride out with me tongue. It name dead head, knock the foot pop.
Yo, this is like on the stage show. I can't remember Sting or a Sumfest. I believe a Sumfest she did it on. I believe. Don't quote me on that though, but I believe. She bad. So, this is a surprise collab for me.
Paradise. Coulda she want me fi stay another night.
Spin it out, turn back way in my dig it out. Pussy clap, so me pussy cream, so him frig it out. Backseat crack, me face spitting on me mouth. Stiff titty trigger while me need them giving out. Rub flit and try re-enter. The tight pink lock him out, would not slipping out. Tire puncture, me ride out with me tongue. It name dead head, knock the foot pop. Frame drop, fuck now stop. King still a slap, step start splash. Here side pop, fuck now stop. Here
I wish I was there. I wish me and Roddy ended here. I wish I was there.
dead head, knock the foot pop. Frame drop, fuck now stop. King still a slap, step start splash. Here side pop, fuck now stop. Here Pascal top, throw start knock disturbing lock.
Fuck now stop.
Name dead head, knock the foot
Damn it, love it, fuck reader.
Frame drop, fuck now stop.
Yo, me too cool, every girl want chill. Construction girl see me say she want be like energy.
Tavi just find the next gear, brother. When I thought this song was about to finish, Tavi find the next gear. Man say construction girl link him, say them want bill. Get it? Construction, bill, construction. The girl link him and say want bill back with him. Get it? Alright. Play upon words, bad.
Dead head, knock the foot pop. Frame drop, fuck now stop.
Yo, me too cool, every girl want chill. Construction girl see me say she want be like energy in my heart. This is say she want live like.
Yo, the G dip on the rhythm in the dog. The G a tip on the rhythm in the listen.
Knock disturbing
Listen.
Fuck now stop.
Name dead head, knock the foot pop. Frame drop, fuck now stop.
Yo, me too cool, every girl want chill. Construction girl see me say she want be like energy in my heart. This is say she want live life we a preach, but vibes there suffocate. Me too cool, every girl want chill. Construction girl see me say she want be like energy in my heart. This is say she want live in my heart. This is she want live. Winnings, AMS driven. My phone keep ringing. My dentist girl say her pussy need filling.
Yo, the man saying dentist girl say, yo, what are that? Tavi, we have some different flow in one song, brother. What you do? You show off now, dog. I show off, brother.
Energy in my heart, this is what she want live. In my heart, that's what she want live. Winnings, AMS driven. My phone keep ringing. My dentist girl say her pussy need filling. Touch it and cut just before she get clingy. Men's like a hero, low key, she had the feeling. Say it again. Winnings, my phone keep. My church get a car, wants a spiritual healing. Paranormal activity upon the ceiling. Adrenaline driven. Yo, every gal are my gal. Your gal are my gal. My gal are my gal. Hear that? Fear gal are my gal. Hear that?
Yeah, every girl a G girl. Every girl a Tavi girl. Know that. No, not have a clothespin. Yeah. Every girl a clothespin girl. But me never expect that collab still. But why is she not on the title of it, Tavi? Why haven't you put her in the title? She named Sita the Lyrical Diva. That is her name. Sita the Lyrical Diva. Yeah, man. Me know her, man, from one of them stage show, them, man. She bad, man. She tear up the stage show. Yo! Tune tough, you know? Tune tough. Russian, did you authorize the rhythm? That more I know, you know. That more I know, you know. Artists I step out. I take it serious. But it's all fun and games for Tavi. We know that. He's just showcasing his talent because he's talented. But for me, I think it's just fun and games for Tavi. Obviously you see him with him carrot them round him neck, with him big chain, with the carrot. You don't know. We just can't take Tavi serious, brother. I just Tavi that. Tavi just full of Tavi is a comedian who is very hilarious. So stuff like this, me can't take him serious. So big up yourself though, he's talented. We know that, you know. So big up yourself, Tavi. Sit at the lyrical diva. Big up yourself, mama. Yeah, you're bad from them time until now. Yes. So I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.